Hi everybody. So we use the word delivery mainly at three places. One is obviously baby delivery, mother delivering her baby. Next is product delivery. So we get delivery from Amazon, Flipkart and various product deliveries. Whether various websites or e-commerce websites. Third one is delivery of a lecture from a teacher to the student or from a lecturer to the learner. Delivery of lecture. So what is happening? It is a product, there is a lot of energy put into it and time put into it to manufacture that. So then it comes to you and you will use it, you will pay for it and you will use it. Then obviously delivery of a baby by her mother. So parents' energy gone into it, and 9 months in the womb of the mother, time taken, energy taken. Then delivery happens for the society and the world to use, or the universe. It is a product to the universe itself, to the world itself, or to the society. So the society and the world has to nurture that child along with the parents, nurture that child to make into a good being to oneself, to himself or herself, and also useful to the society and the world. Similarly, delivery of a lecture by the teacher to the learner should also be made use. Lot of energy, time, skill, hard work, everything is involved in that. If a teacher is delivering something, first he has to attain to that level of teaching. To attain to the level of teaching, already he or she has gone through various steps. Okay, then got into that position. Then they are delivering you their lecture. As I said, time is involved, energy is involved, hard work, smart work, whatever work is involved. Now that is being delivered to the student or students, learners, which should be made use properly. That means first attentively listening is important, taking that, absorbing that is important, reflecting upon that, clearing doubts and all, working on that, making notes and all, preparing that, it is all important. When it is delivered, the student has to make use of it properly. Then they will grow. Then the students, through that delivery by the teachers, students if taken properly and worked upon it properly, then that student or students will grow, improve. That is the utility of it. That's why it is called as delivery. It's not a small word. Time is involved, energy is involved, work is involved. That is why it is called as delivery. Delivery of a lecture by the teacher to the student. So teacher delivered class or delivered a lecture in the class to the students. So the delivery word is being used there. So see how important it is. So the learners or students, wherever it may be in the classroom or online through by making these videos and all. So everything is from a teacher to the learner is a delivery, from an instructor, from a teacher, from a trainer, from a coach, whatever you may call it. So that is the content is being delivered. Please note it. Please understand this. The word delivery, it is not a small word. These all are involved in it. So how valuable it is, how you should use it. Definitely you should see quality. If there is a poor quality, then you may not take it, or you may not consider that again. But if it is valuable, if it is quality, you are saying it, then think how you should use it. So for that one I am making consistently, follow consistently, watch consistently and completely. I am telling all that. Yeah. So check other long videos in our channel. Thank you.